Alright, well, my customer that bought my Blue Bug decided he wanted a quieter exhaust, so I ended up getting my Impy GT type exhaust back with a little bigger tips and a little bit meaner sounding, a little bit better breathing. Don't really need to paint it or anything, as this isn't a super show car, but I might have to drill out the heat risers because those are plugged or from the factory or mold or whatever, they don't clear them. So anyway, I'm going to start this thing up. You can see those are little tiny pea shooter exhausts. Alright. Make sure it's not in gear. Alright, you can see they're not too loud. Kind of quiet. I kind of like it. But I kind of don't. So, I'm going to put that GT exhaust on and then we'll do another quick video to see how that sounds. Bye-bye.